Hello from me and from Rosie the dog over there. Today we are cooking onion rings, breaded onion rings. You used to be able to buy these in the shops, but for some reason you can only get battered ones now. So I've come up with a recipe for breaded onion rings that you put in the oven. I reckon it's going to be great. Get a big onion and cut it in the middle. Then cut it not too thin in slices. Get your onion rings, pop them out onto a plate and then dust them in flour. Get an egg white and put it in a bowl. Find a dog to eat the egg yolk. Good girl, Fetch. Whisk up the egg whites. When they're stiff, stop whisking. Get a piece of toast and put it in one of these mixer things. Or you could buy breadcrumbs. Get your breadcrumbs and put them in on a plate or a dish. Put in some Cajun seasoning or whatever you fancy. Put some greaseproof paper on a baking tray. Get your onion, pop it in the egg white. Pop it in your breadcrumbs. Pop it on your baking tray. And repeat. Put these in the oven for about 10 minutes on 180. Turn them halfway through and then serve them with a massive steak and chips and mushrooms and peas and peppercorn sauce. Just what the doctor ordered.